So guys, in this video I'm going to show you my strategy on how I trade forex currencies and Nasdaq and US30, also gold. But I'm going to do maybe one example for this video because I only have a limited time to record here. 10 minutes limited time. Okay, let me remove these drawings quickly, and then I'm going to what's going on here? I'm removing these drawings quickly, and then I'm going to redraw and show you guys how we trade with my strategy. So just bear with me as I remove these. So the pair is Euro USD, as you can see. The pair is Euro USD. The first thing that you need to do, guys, is to look at the 4-hour time frame. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, never mind these other drawings, I drew them when the market was still in that area. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, we're looking at the overall trend. We're looking at the trend. A trend is where the market is going for a long period of time, you understand, even though there are small pullbacks or whatever. So as you can see, from 20 March 2020, it has been trending upwards until today, which is the 25th of January 2021. So that's a long time. I don't understand why you should be selling the market when the trend is upwards. You understand what I'm saying? You shouldn't be selling the markets, because upwards means buy. Then after that, guys, you're going to go to the 30 minutes time frame and look for channels and stuff. Remember, we're trading all of these pairs, ne? We're trading all the pairs. So you're going to find this setup, whether you like it or not, on one or two or three of these pairs per day. So here what I'm gonna do is, okay, what's going on here? What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw support, resistance, and support trend line, and resistance trend line. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm going to start with my support. I'm going to connect these areas, as you can see, connecting these areas. I don't know if I'm drawing it correctly, but yeah, I think it's fine. And then I'm gonna draw another one that is equal this one, so that I can determine the channel. As you can see, I think we got it. Yeah, so since the market is trending upwards from so long ago, last year to this year, it means that we must only look for buys. According to my strategy, to make it like 70 to 80% accurate, it means that I must look for buys. I'm never going to sell the market, guys. I don't think I'm never going to sell the market, unless if I have, I don't know, I'll sell the market when what happened, because the trend is downwards. As you can see, Euro USD, it's upwards. As you can see, Euro USD has been trending upwards for the longest of time. So why should I take less probability trades? I'm going to take high probability trades. Understand what I'm saying? So here, let's see, as I've drew this support, you understand, this support, it was a resistance, then got broken, and then now is a support. As I've drew this support, I would have bought here, You know why? Because the trend is upwards and the market is at an area of interest. You understand what I'm saying? Is at an area of interest. I would have bought here, and then when it comes here, I wouldn't sell, guys. I wouldn't sell, even though it can go according, whatever, to what 99% of traders are saying, that if it hits somewhere here, you must sell. No, don't sell. Don't sell, guys. You must never sell. Look at here. Look here. You would have sold here, and then maybe your take profit would have been here. It never hits your take profit, and it goes to hit your stop loss above there and goes further and further and further, because the overall trend is upwards. Understand what I'm saying, guys? Yeah, so never sell on an upward trend unless if there's a trend change sign on a 4-hour time frame. Trend change sign is something like this, as you can see here. It's more like a trend change, because this is a high, and this is a lower high and a lower high and a lower high. You understand what I'm saying? So even here, there is a form of a channel, as you can see. There is a form of a channel, which means that the trend is changing, but for a short period of time, because this is a 30 minutes time frame, is not the bigger one. If you see this kind of sign on a 30 minutes, on a 4-hour time frame, then yeah, definitely you could be like expecting a trend to change, you understand, from up to down, or from down to up. You understand what I'm saying? So here I'll be looking only at buys. I'm not selling, guys. I'm not selling. If I sell, there's a high chance of losing. So if it touches this support resistance line, then yeah, I'll be happy to enter a trade. You understand what I'm saying? So it's quite simple. It's not that hard, guys. It's not that hard trading Forex. You just need the right strategy, and you just got the right strategy from NPG himself. Yeah, so even here I might expect the trend to change. You know why? Because the overall trend is upwards. The overall trend is upwards. It might buy from here. You understand what I'm saying? It might go up from here. You understand what I'm saying, guys? Because this is a lower low, and this is a higher low and a higher low. You understand what I'm saying? So it can't break here. It must go up, because even the overall trend is upwards. I'm not saying it won't. It can, but I strongly believe it will go up. You understand what I'm saying? I strongly believe it will go up. So it's that simple, guys. The strategy is really simple. You only sell. You only take trades in the direction of the trend. You understand what I'm saying? You only take trades in the direction of the trend. Never buy on a downward trend. Never sell on an upward trend. That's the basic. That's the strategy's rules. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, and also you must check for trend changes and all that. If you see signs like these on a bigger time frame, then you know, yeah, the trend is probably going to change. You understand? High chances. And then on a 30 minutes, you know, it's going to change for a short period of time, and then continue with the overall direction. So yeah, second video is coming. Example with an index or gold.